Today, I'll show you how easy it is to borrow USDC with HiFi. To start, we need a crypto wallet containing Ethereum, both for the transaction fees and to use as collateral. For this tutorial, I'll be using MetaMask, but all major wallets are supported, so don't worry if your interactions look slightly different. Begin by connecting your wallet to HiFi by clicking here. Hit MetaMask since that's what I'm using. Select the wallet you want to use and hit connect. You'll know you've successfully connected to the dApp because the page will reload with your balances on the left side of the page. Next, we click the collateral we want to use from our list of supported collateral types here. I'll be depositing Ethereum as collateral. When I click, it pops up a dialog asking how much collateral I'd like to deposit. Today, I'll be depositing 1 Ethereum. I hit deposit, and since this is my first time interacting with HiFi on this wallet, it is going to prompt me to set up my vault. This only has to be done once. I hit confirm. After that's complete, I'm now prompted with the deposit transaction. Hit confirm, and just like that, I've deposited Ethereum, and now we're ready to borrow against it. I choose a maturity date that fits my needs. In this case, there's only one market to choose from. Today, I feel like borrowing $1,000. I hit borrow and click confirm in MetaMask. As soon as that transaction is finished, I have $1,000 in my account. I can come up here and see my balances for USDC has gone from 0 to 1,000. And just like that, you've borrowed with HiFi.